Do you want to enjoy healthy and beautiful hair? In the pursuit of overall beauty, hair care often takes center stage. After all, your tresses are a reflection of your health and self-confidence. Stay tuned to learn how to care for your hair and scalp effectively. Firstly, it's essential to choose the right products for your hair type. For dry hair, seek out products that promise hydration. If you're dealing with oily hair, opt for lightweight formulas. Remember, what works for someone else may not work for you. Secondly, never underestimate the power of good nutrition. A balanced diet rich in proteins and vitamins is the cornerstone of healthy hair. Think fish, lean meats, and a rainbow of fruits and vegetables. Remember, your hair reflects your diet. Your hair is what you eat. Next, let's talk about some common habits that can affect your hair health. Overbrushing can lead to breakage and thinning. So remember, less is more. Also, excessive heat from straighteners or blow dryers can cause damage. If you must use these tools, don't forget a heat protection cream. Finally, consider natural oils like olive or coconut. Regular scalp massages with these oils can moisturize your hair and stimulate growth. Give your hair the tender love and care it deserves, and it will thank you. Now let's move on to some more tips. Regular trims keep split ends at bay, promoting healthier hair growth. It's also crucial to find ways to relax as stress can impact hair health. Lastly, avoid harsh chemicals. They can be damaging. Remember, your hair needs a break too. Lastly, let's talk about cleanliness and embracing your natural hair. Regular washing keeps your scalp free from excess oils and dandruff, promoting healthy hair. Steer clear of tight, harsh hairstyles. Let your locks flow freely, showcasing their natural beauty. Being natural is the best way to be. So are you ready to enjoy healthier, more beautiful hair? Remember the importance of choosing the right products, maintaining a balanced diet, and using gentle methods of care. Regular trims, stress reduction, and natural living are key. Remember, your hair is your crowning glory. Take care of it.